This is Chapter 6, The Time Value of Money, Problem number 6. Don Corp is contemplating the purchase of a machine that will produce net after-tax cash savings of $20,000 per year for 5 years. At the end of 5 years, the machine can be sold to realize after-tax cash flows of $5,000. Interest is 12%. Assume the cash flows occur at the end of each year. Calculate the total present value of the cash savings. To analyze the question, we can see that the yearly savings of $20,000 will be our annuity amount over 5 years, the number of periods. We're also told that the cash flows occur at the end of each year. Because there are equal payments and equal time periods at the end of those periods, we are dealing with an ordinary annuity. The question also states that Don Corp intends to sell the machinery at the end of the 5-year period. This cash flow is not part of the annuity and is treated as a single and separate cash flow. Now that we have organized the question into useful information, we're ready to calculate the present value of the cash savings. The easiest way to visualize the problem is to draw a timeline. Here we can see that we have 5 periods with 5 equal payments, with an additional payment in the last period. The easiest way to solve for the present value of the cash savings is to find the present value of the single cash flow and then add that amount to the present value of the ordinary annuity. The present value of a single cash flow is equal to the future value over 1 plus the interest rate to the number of periods. A more simple approach is to multiply the future value by the present value of $1 factors found on Table 2 in the textbook. The appropriate table factor is found at the intersection of n equals 5 and I equals 12, or 0.56743. Plugging the table factor into the equation, we can see that the present value of the future sale is $2,837.15. Now we need to solve for the present value of the ordinary annuity. While we do have to use a different table, the factor is found in the same manner by finding the intersection of 5 periods at 12% interest. We can see that the table factor to solve for the present value of an ordinary annuity is 3.60478. Plugging our values into the equation, we can see that the present value of an ordinary annuity is $72,095.60. Now that we have found the present value for both types of cash flows in this question, we're ready to find the total present value of the cash savings. Adding the two present values together, we find the total cash savings to be $74,932.75.